Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple process of activating your new Capital One card after your account details have been updated. If you've recently received a new Capital One card or your account information has been updated, this tutorial is just what you need. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your mailbox. First things first, check your mailbox. Your new Capital One card should arrive in a plain white envelope. Inside, you'll find your new card and a few important instructions. Step 2. Gather your information. Before activating your card, make sure you have the following information handy. Your new Capital One card. Your personal information, like your name and social security number if needed. Your previous account details, if relevant. Step 3. Visit the Capital One website or app. Now, there are two main ways to activate your new card: through the Capital One website or using the Capital One mobile app. Let's start with the website method. For website activation, go to www.capitalown.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking the Sign Up button. Once logged in, go to the Activate Your Card section. You may also see an Activate prompt on your account dashboard. Click it. For mobile app activation, open the Capital One mobile app on your phone and sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate Your Card section. This should appear prominently on your home screen or under your account settings. Step 4. Enter your card information. Next, you'll be asked to enter your new card details. This will include your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit security code, CVV, on the back of your card. Step 5. Confirm your identity. Capital One will likely ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. This could involve answering security questions or verifying a code sent to your phone or email. Follow the instructions carefully. Step 6. Finalize the activation. Once all the information is entered and your identity is confirmed, you'll get a confirmation message saying that your card is activated. You can now start using it for purchases. Step 7. Set up alerts and preferences. Optional. As an extra step, consider setting up notifications or alerts through the Capital One website or app. This will help you stay on top of your transactions and monitor your account activity. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Capital One card is now activated and ready to use. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.